Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you the A major chord in root position, the first inversion, second inversion, and how to play with both hands. To start, play the A note, followed by the C sharp, followed by the E note. Altogether, that's the root position of the A major chord. Moving over, playing the C sharp, E, and A is the first inversion of the A major chord. Moving over once more, playing the E, A, and C sharp creates the second inversion of the A major chord. And if you'd like a more full sounding A major, just play two of those patterns together to create a more full sounding A major chord. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned a little something. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.